Imagine proving your innocence in seconds after an accident. That's the power of the best dashboard camera. Welcome to the channel where you learn what actually protects you on the road. Today, you'll discover must-know features, real performance insights, and smart picks. If you find value, check trusted links in description. A road accident happens every few seconds worldwide, yet most drivers still have no video proof when it matters most. That's where this 4K dash cam front and rear system quietly changes the story. First impression, the triple-channel recording feels reassuring. Front, rear, and interior coverage. Nothing important slips away. The 4K front lens captures license plates sharply, even at speed. Night vision and HDR keep details alive after sunset. Real problem drivers face: disputes after accidents, insurance stress, no evidence. This dashcam tackles that with GPS tracking, collision sensor auto-lock, and 24H parking mode. It watches even when you're gone. Daily use feel: the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is fast. File transfers feel instant. The 3.16-inch IPS screen is clear without distracting from driving. The free 128 GB card is a real value add. Compared to typical dual-channel cams, more coverage, slightly higher power usage though. Who should buy it? Ride-share drivers, family car owners, long-distance commuters. Owning footage like this feels like carrying silent protection everywhere you drive. A single second after a crash can rewrite your entire financial future, and most drivers never record that second. The reality problem: many people buy a car dashboard camera hoping for crystal clear proof, only to end up with blurry clips, confusing apps, or missing GPS data. That's where the Rove R2 4K feels like one of the best dashboard camera options for everyday drivers who want strong features without premium pricing. What stands out? UHD 2160p recording, built-in Wi-Fi, and GPS logging create a solid protection package. The 150-degree wide angle captures more road detail, while the app lets you move footage straight to your phone. GPS tagging adds route and speed data, useful for insurance or disputes. Magazine zine: honest trade-offs. Night footage can soften in very dark conditions, and some versions upscale video rather than capturing native 4K detail. Tom's Guide: compared to something like Garmin 67W, Garmin offers voice control and parking monitoring, but costs more and records at lower resolution. Taiglon: who should buy? Daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and budget-focused car owners. This camera feels less like a gadget and more like silent legal backup riding shotgun. Every 20 seconds, somewhere in the world, a crash happens, and most drivers have no proof of what really occurred. The real fear: you're driving normally, something goes wrong. Suddenly, it's your word versus theirs. That stress is why many people search for one of the best dashboard camera options that records everything clearly and reliably. What this dash cam does differently: this 3-channel system watches front, rear, and cabin at once. 1080p clarity captures plates, faces, and movement. Night vision and HDR keep footage sharp in harsh headlights or dark streets. Loop recording means no manual deleting. The 24-hour parking mode and G-sensor quietly guard your car when you're away. The trade-offs: setup takes patience. Cabin camera isn't needed for everyone. App connectivity is basic compared to premium Wi-Fi models. Compared to dual-channel cameras, you gain interior coverage, but sacrifice slightly simpler installation. Who should buy it? Rideshare drivers, families, daily commuters wanting reliable evidence. When chaos hits the road, silent witnesses matter more than speed. A single missed detail in an accident can cost more than your car itself. That's why serious drivers obsess over recording quality. The real problem first: most drivers buy a dash cam thinking any camera will do. Then, night footage looks blurry. License plates vanish. Parking incidents go unrecorded. Enter the X5 style 4K plus 2.5K setup. The Dash Cam front and rear 4K plus 2.5K system delivers ultra-sharp front recording and higher than usual rear clarity, which already places it among one of the best dashboard camera options for detail capture. Touchscreen control feels modern. Wi-Fi app access means no memory card juggling. Parking mode quietly guards your car overnight. Similar high-tier models focus heavily on 4K recording, night vision sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, and loop recording with G-sensor protection. Features widely considered essential in modern dual dash cams. Vehicle transport reviews. Upsides: strong resolution combo, smooth interface, included storage, reliable event lock. Downside: newer brand presence and may need hardwire setup for full parking mode. Compared to value picks like Rove R2 4K Dual, you gain higher rear resolution, but lose some brand history. Who should buy? Daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone parking on busy streets. Owning footage like this feels less like tech and more like silent protection riding with you. A single second of missing footage can cost thousands in disputes, and most drivers never realize it until it's too late. The real problem first. Many people buy a dash cam and later discover blurry night clips, missing GPS data, or Wi-Fi that barely connects. That frustration hits hardest after an accident. Where this 4K front and rear dash cam changes the story. Ultra-sharp 4K front video. Clear rear coverage. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi makes file transfer fast. GPS logs routes accurately. The 3.59-inch IPS screen is crisp without distraction. It genuinely feels like one of the best dashboard camera options for daily commuters and rideshare drivers. Real-world relief. Night vision and WDR help during rain or dark highways. G-sensor locks impact footage. The included 64GB card means you're recording instantly. Downsides to know. Parking monitor wiring may need professional install. The screen size might feel small for some users. Compared to basic 1080p dual cams, you gain sharper evidence, better low-light detail, and stronger connectivity. If you value documented truth over guesswork, this camera quietly stands guard when you cannot.